Good day everyone, I am Lawaran Dahir Amin and my team members Lukman Bashir and Adnan Khan. Welcome you to our documentary, Sustainable Shields, Fighting Pest with Biotech in Agriculture. Every farming season, countless farmers face one common enemy, which is pest and diseases. Traditionally, chemical pesticide has been main line of defense. However, their widespread use have led to serious environmental consequences. But what if nature and science work together to defend our crops? Today, we'll take you on a journey to discover how biotechnology offers smarter way to protect our farm.
Globally, pests are responsible for loss of up to 40% of crop each year. The heavy use of synthetic chemical not only contaminate our soil and water, but also affect beneficial insects such as butterfly, bees, which help in pollination. These synthetic chemicals not only affect the insect but also affect human health. It's time for a change.
We asked ourselves, how can we control pest in a sustainable way without harming the environment and the food chain? So this is where biotechnology steps in, because chemical pesticides can pollute the environment and make pests stronger over time. So we need to find a better and smarter way. Biotechnology gave us two smart solutions. The first one is BT crop are made to produce a natural protein that only kills certain pests. So it is safe for people and for helpful insects also. The second one is the RNA interference as a method that shut down important genes in the pest body so they cannot survive or reproduce. By using these methods, we can protect crop and nature at the same time.
Biotechnology offers several smarter solutions such as BT crops like BT maize and cotton, engineered to kill pests from within. Biopesticide from microbes like Bacillus thuringiensis. Gene silencing using RNA interference to disrupt pest life cycle. These are precise, efficient, and eco-friendly options.
For farmers, some of the biggest threats to healthy crops are also some of the smallest. Insect pests, like this corn earworm, can wreak havoc if left unchecked. And not just in cornfields.
It feeds on a lot of host plants. So in tomatoes it's called the fruitworm. In cotton it's called bollworm. In soybeans it's called the podworm. It's the same species. So it's probably in the top 5 of major economic pests in the U.S.
Right now it's August, peak earworm season. And entomologist Galen Dively of the University of Maryland is working his way through a plot of sweet corn at a UMD research farm in Prince George's County. A plot planted specifically to study these voracious caterpillars.
Females lay their eggs on the silks, and then the larvae work its way down through the tip of the ear to the kernels at the tip, and then they start feeding on the kernels.
Leaving the corn looking like this. But these days, most U.S. corn growers aren't too concerned about this particular pest. And that's thanks to the type of corn they're growing, called BT corn, which was genetically engineered back in the 1990s to combat a variety of destructive insects, including the corn earworm.
So basically you have a plant-incorporated insecticide. Insect takes a bite of it, and that toxin, it's a protein toxin, affects the midgut and kills the insect. Very effective and also very environmentally safe approach.
The genetically modified corn doesn't look or taste any different from non-BT varieties. It just happens to have pest protection built into its DNA.
So this is BT corn. BT stands for Bacillus thuringiensis, and that's a very common bacteria which produces a suite of proteins that kill insects.
Back in the 90s, scientists isolated the genes responsible for producing some of those toxins and started inserting those genes into the DNA of the plant itself. The result?
The obvious benefit is you can eliminate a lot of insecticide sprays.
Bug-resistant corn that's safe for livestock, humans, and even beneficial insects like honeybees. Only about 10% of sweet corn, the kind you eat fresh, frozen, or canned, is planted in
northern part of Nigeria, BT cotton has helped farmers to reduce pesticide use by more than half, which increased harvest and reduced labor. It is a clear example of biotech in action.
Environmental and economic benefits. Biotech crop like BT cotton and BT maize are made to fight pests on their own. This means farmers do not have to spray a lot of chemical pesticides. Using fewer chemicals help keep the soil healthy and clean, and it also reduces pollution in river and lake nearby. Biotech crop also help farmers to save money since they use fewer pesticides and have less damage from pests, and also they spend less on farming cost. At the same time, these crops grow better and give higher yield. So farmer can earn more money from their harvest. So using biotech and farming is a smart way to protect the environment and support farmer at the same time.
Looking ahead, CRISPR, which has been adapted into a powerful tool for gene editing and AI-driven pest detection system, are being developed. These technologies will be personalized protection method to specific regions and crops.
Biotechnology is not just a science, it's a lifeline for sustainable agriculture. It provides powerful and sustainable methods against agricultural pests, offering innovative solutions that go beyond limitation and traditional chemical pesticides. Due to climate change and pollution growth in the world, adapting sustainable biotech solutions is no longer an option, it's a necessity for building a resilient and sustainable agricultural future.